So guys, in last class, we have done about the basic syntax of the Java, right? And about the data type we have done. Now, today we will start, logic part. Logic part we will learn, right? So let me start the logic part. So what we will learn in logic part? So in the logic part, we will do like, you know, just let me go in view, then zoom, then okay, okay, logic part. So first we will complete our loop part, right? First we will learn loop part. Then after we will learn first what we will learn in loop. We will learn first for loop, then while loop, right? And then for each loop, right? Okay. Then after we will learn condition. So in the condition, we will learn what? If else condition, right? Then switch condition. Okay. And when we will complete the condition, there are some Java keywords, right? We will learn break and continue keyword, right? When these two will be completed, then after we will jump into the array. Okay. So today the topic will start from the loop. Okay. So let's start. So what I will do in the Eclipse, we have created a project, right? So this Java June new 9 p.m. batch. So let me open it, SRC, and we have already created the package with the name of fundamental, right? So let's open it. So what I will do, I will create a Java class inside the fundamental package. So right click here, right? Click on new class. This will be for loop demo, right? Click on public static void main so that this line will dump into your class file. See, you can see that. So these things, what is the syntax and all that I have, justified in the last class. What is the package? What is this? And all the syntaxes we have gone through in last class, right? So what we will do today, we will learn the for loop. So let's take a program. Let's take a problem, one problem. Suppose you want to print number 1 to 10. Suppose you want to print number 1 to 10. So how you will print? So as per your knowledge, you will do system.out.println 1, system.out.println 2, system.out.println 3. As per your knowledge, whatever till now you have. So it's okay. 1 to 10 you can do, but the problem comes to write 1 to 1000. So you cannot do write manually system.out.println 1 to till from 1 to till 1000. That is not possible, right? So what we will do, what we should do, we should create a logic to do it, right? So how we will create a logic? So for logic creation, while you are doing a program, right, the bigger program you can make in very short way with the help of this logic. So we have to know about all the logic part and how to create a logic, how to think logic, how to apply logic. These things we have to know. So first we will start learning from for loop. Then after sequentially we will learn next and next. So see, print number 1 to 10. We want to print 1 to 10. So that means you know the initial number, that is 1. You know the last number, that is 10, right? Means you know the first number, that is 1. And you know the last number, that is 10, right? So that means if you want, you can print first number 1, and if you want, you can print 10 last number 10. But the thing is that how you will print 2, 3, 4 means how you will get these things from logic. So you have to make some mind. Okay, first number is 1, you have to go till 10. So then after 1 you need 2, and after 2 you need 3, after 3 you need 4, like that, right? So first number is 1. So what you will do in 1, so that 2 will be, and what you will do in 2, that 3 will be, to make some logic here. So according to me, what I thought right now, if in 1, if you will add +1, then that will be 2, right? In the 2, if will be +1, that will be 3. And in the 3, again you will add +1, then that will be 4. In 4, if again add +1, then it will be 5. In 5, it will again add +1, then it will be 6. In the 6, if it again +1, then it will be 7. Then 7 + 1, 8. In 8, you will do +1, then it become 9. And in 9, if you will do +1, then you will get number 10. That means what? In initial number, that is 1. In initial number, while you are adding +1, then whatever the output will be, in the again in that output, if you will again add +1, then like that you will get a next number. Okay, so that means what you are doing, two things. What? First thing, every time you are doing +1 +1 +1 +1 every time, right? In initial number, whatever the every first number, you are every starting from the initial, then their output, right? In every, you are adding every time +1 +1 +1. And we are normally talking in English. Now, if you are doing the same task again and again, that means we are also saying, you went into loop, means you are adding the things in a loop. So here is the things that will comes like a loop, because you are doing the same task again and again. So loop. This is the first task. The first thing that you have to use loop. Okay. Second thing, what is the task you are doing? In the loop, every time you are doing +1 +1 +1. Okay, this is the 2 tasks you are doing. You will do, when you will do these 2 tasks, you will achieve the output of this. So let's start. So first we have to apply the loop. So how we will apply the loop? Let's learn the syntax, right? So let's start. So for syntax is for the for loop, there is one syntax like a initialization. See what you have to do. You will write a for, right? Then you will give the parenthesis, right? In the parenthesis, you will write something. First, you will write initialization, comma, right? You will write what? Condition. Sorry, semicolon. This is semicolon. Then after you will write iteration, right? Then after you will write what? Statement. Whatever the things you want to print, whatever the things you want to do, you will do statement. That means what? Let me close this like. See what I'm saying? This is the syntax of the for loop. What is this? This is the syntax of the for loop. What is this? This is the syntax of the for loop. If you want to create a for loop, right? If you want to use for loop in your program, so you have to write first for. Okay. Then after, from where you want to start the looping, what will be your initial things? You will keep into the initialization, right? Like that, you want to start looping from 1. So initialization will be 1. Condition means till where you want to go. Till 10, you will write here where you want to go. You will make a condition. Then after iteration, that means you want to do every time +1 +1. So that is iteration part. And what you want to do? You want to print, whatever the things you want to do, you will write inside, right? So let me write the sequence. First, we are initializing. Second, we are writing the condition. Third, we are writing, the statement. Fourth, we are writing iteration. This is the sequence, right? First, initialization. Second, we are doing condition. Third, we are doing statement. Fourth, we are doing iteration, right? Suppose with the help of this syntax, if you want to print 1 to 10 by applying the for loop, so how you will do? So I'm just going with the syntax, right? So first I will do for. Okay, I provided the parenthesis. What I will do first? First I will do initialization. What is the initialization? 1. You want to start from 1, right? So I will write 1. So we are not writing any value directly. Always we are storing value in a variable, right? So suppose I'm taking any variable. Suppose I'm taking I. You can take variable name any. So what I did, I stored 1 into I, because I cannot directly write 1, because we cannot directly write value, right? So that's why we wrote what? Value, that is 1 in variable I. So while we are storing any value in a variable, So we have to tell to the Java na, what is this? If this is number, so what we have to define? We have to define the data type. So what is the data type? Integer. So I will write int. That means I have initialized ki I want to start the loop from 1, right? Till where you want to go? You want ki your loop will go till 10. You want to make a condition ki your loop will go till 10. So you want I, the thing is that value will always store in a variable. So now this value 1 is stored in a I. If you want to refer 1, so you will call to the I. Suppose I want to check ki I want to make a condition ki I will go till 10. So I less equal to 10. And I want to do iteration. Suppose there is one thing that is called increment. If you want to increment by value 1, so where you are storing value, suppose I have stored the value in I. So if you if I'm calling I, that means 1, right? Like that here I have stored the value 1 in the I. So I is the variable, right? If you want to increase any value by +1, so you will do plus plus. If you want to decrease any value value by -1, like a decrement you want to do, so what you will do? I minus minus, correct? If you suppose there is one number you want to increase, suppose there is one number 1 and you want to increase by +1, so you will do what you will do, you will store that value in the I, then after you will do plus plus, I plus plus, so value will be 2, right? If suppose there is one variable I that contains value 2, if you will do I minus minus, so that their value will be 1, right? So increment and decrement we will do. So what I did, I am starting the value from 1, I will go till 10 and I will do always plus plus, in which in I, because I will contain every value, right? And then after here we will do what? I will print the statement that is I want to print it. So what will be? See, story will start. First we'll go initialization. Second we will go condition. Third will statement. Fourth will be iteration. So our story will start. First in the I we have store 1. So now I contain value 1, right? Second number I came here. I want to check I less equal to 10. So what is the current value of I? 1, right? What is the current value of I? 1. So condition is 1 less equal to 10. Yes, 1 less equal to 10. That means condition is true. If only condition will be true, then after you can come under the for loop. Otherwise, you will be not able to come under the for loop. But now here condition is true. 1 is less equal to 10. So condition is true. Then after you will come under the for loop block. So what you are doing? Here you are printing the value of I. So what is the current value of I? 1, right? So just printed 1, right? Now, this is the third things we have done. Now, where you will go next? Iteration. So what you are doing? I plus plus. So what is the current value of I? 1, right? What is the current value of I? 1. And if you will do 1 plus plus, the value will be 2. So what is the current value of I now? 2. Now you are checking I less equal to 10. Means current value of I is 2. 2 less equal to 10. Yes, condition true. If condition true, again you will come inside, and what you are doing? You are printing the value of I. So what is the current value of I now? 2, right? So you just printed the 2. Now again you will go to this I plus plus. So what is the current value of I? 2. 2 plus plus, it will become 3, right? And again I'm checking here I less equal to 10. So current value of I is 3. 3 less equal to 10. Yes, condition true. If condition true, again you will come inside, and what is the current value of I? 3. So it will be printed I plus plus. So 3 plus plus, it become 4, right? I will check here I less equal to 10. I current value of I is 4. 4 less equal to 10. Yes, condition true. If condition true, I will print the value of I, that is what? 4. It will print it. I plus plus. So 4 plus plus, that will be 5, right? And I will check again I less equal to 10. 5 less equal to 10. Yes, condition again true. Again you will come inside the I, means inside the block. So what you are doing? You are printing the value of I. So what is the current value of I? 5, right? You are doing here I plus plus. So what is the current value of I? 5. 5 plus plus, it becomes 6. And you are checking what? I less equal to 10. So 6, current value of I is 6. 6 less equal to 10, condition true, right? I will check here. I will just printing the value of I. So what is the current value of I? 6. So it is printed. I plus plus. So I having current value 6, 6 plus plus it becomes 7. I'm checking I less equal to 10. So current value of I is what? 7, right? So 7 less equal to 10. Yes, condition true. So I will print the value of I, that is what? 7. I will again do I plus plus. So 7 plus plus it become 8. I will check I less equal to 10. Means current value of I is 8, 8 less equal to 10. Yes, condition true. If condition true, we will print the value of I. So what is the value of I? 8. It will print I plus plus. So current value of I is 8. 8 plus plus will become 9. I am checking that I less equal to 10. Current value of I is 9. 9 less equal to 10. Yes, condition true. If condition true, so what is the value of I? 9, right? Just I printed. I plus plus. What is the current value of I? 9. 9 plus plus, it become 10. Right? So I came here. I'm just checking ki, what is the current value of I? 10. Huh? 10 less equal to 10. 10 is not less than 10, but yeah, 10 is equal to 10. So that means again condition true. If again condition true, we just came inside the block. What we are doing? We are printing the value of I. So what is the current value of I? 10. It is printed. Again, I will go here. I current value having 10, 10 plus plus it become 11. So I'm just checking I less equal to 10. So I current value having 11, 11 less equal to 10. 11 is not less than 10. 11 is not equal to 10. That means condition is false. If condition will be false, we will count. You will not. If condition will be false, you will not go inside, because if the condition will be false, you will go out of the loop. And out of the loop, nothing. Just we are closing and terminating. That's it. All right. And when you will execute the code, that means, see, 1 to 10 is printed. Any doubt? Maheshwari and Rahul?
No, no.
No, sir.
No,
Clear.
no.
Okay. Clear, na? Good. So like that, what I will do the decrement part. So just I'm creating the other program. Right click here, new class for loop demo 2, right? I will just select public static void main string argus finish. I want to print what? I want to print number 10 to 1, right? I want to print number 10 to 1. So if we will go with the syntax of for loop, again, if we will follow the syntax of for loop, so what we have to do? Let me copy the syntax of complete for loop and I will show in front of you, and then we'll do. All right. This is, suppose I want to do print number 10 to 1. So just we will do for loop. This is our syntax, right? First, what we will do? Initialization. So first you have to think what you want to do. You want to go 10 to 1. That means your first number is 10. You have to go till 1. So what you will do? In 10, that the number will be 9, the number will be 8, the number will be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. So in the 10, if you will do -1, then become number 9. And in the 9, if you will do -1, then will be 8. In 8, if you will do -1, then will be 7. In the 7, if you will do -1, 6, and continuously you will go till 1. So that means what you have to do? Your number is starting from 10. Initial number is 10. So I will store 10. I cannot store value directly, right? I cannot write the value directly. You have to store with value. Suppose this time I'm taking j. Any variable you can take. So I have created one variable. In that I have stored the value, but you have to define the variable. Which type of this variable? Actually, this variable is containing numbers. So the data type of this will be integer int. All right. This is till where you want to go. You want to go till 1, right? So what you want? If you will think what you want ki j will go till 1 only. J will go till 1. Okay. J will go till 1. So what logic you have to apply? That means you want ki j value will be go 9, 8 like that. So what you want? Ki j will be value always greater या equal to 1. That means you want ki j value will go till 1. J will be first 10, then 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only till 1. So that's why I make the condition ki j value will be till 1. Then after what I will do? I am doing just decrement in every loop, right? In every iteration of the loop, I want to decrement. If you want to decrement, I told you have to do minus minus. So how, in which actually j is storing the value, so you will do with j, right? And again, here we are printing the things, we are doing what you want to do like that. Okay. So if you want to see, you can see that I have initialized the number that I am starting from 10. I make the condition I will go till 1. I will do, decrement value by 1 every time, and then after printing. So if I will do iteration, so please start. I want to do initialization. So I have stored 10 into j, right? I have stored 10 in j variable, and I'm checking second number ki j greater or equal to 1. So what is the current value of j? 10. So that means 10 is greater or equal to 1. Yes, condition true. If condition true, I came inside the block, and what I'm doing, I'm printing the value of j. So what is the current value of j? So current value of j is 10. It will print. Again, I reached here. J minus minus. What is the current value of j? That is 10. 10 minus minus, that will be 9. I'm again checking. J greater or equal to 1. J having current value of 9. So 9 greater or equal to 1, condition true. If condition true, we will come inside the block. That what we are doing, we are printing the value of j, that is 9. Again, I will go j minus minus. So current value of j is 9. 9 minus minus will be 8. Right? I'm again checking j greater or equal to 1. J having current value 8. 8 greater or equal to 1. Condition true. And what I'm doing, I'm printing the value of j, that is 8. I'm doing j minus minus. So current value of j is 8. 8 minus minus is 7. I'm checking 7 greater or equal to 1. Current value of j is 7. 7 greater or equal to 1. Condition true. And if condition true, what I will do, I will print the value of j, that is 7. So j minus minus. So current value of j is 7. 7 minus minus, it becomes 6. I'm checking j greater or equal to 1. J having current value 6. 6 greater or equal to 1. Condition true. If condition true, I will go to the inside the block, and what I'm doing, I'm printing the value of j, that is 6. I'm again doing j minus minus. So current value of j is 6. 6 minus minus, it become 5. And again, I'm checking 5 greater or equal to 1. Condition true. And I will come inside here, j. What is the current value of j? That is 5. I will print it, right? J minus minus. Current value of j is 5. So 5 minus minus, it become 4. Again checking, current value of j is 4. 4 greater or equal to 1. Condition true. If condition true, I will come inside, and what I'm doing, we are printing the value of j, that is 4. I will do what? Current value of j is 4. 4 minus minus, it become 3. I'm checking 3 greater or equal to 1. Condition true. If condition true, I will print the value of j, that is what? 3. And I will do here j minus minus, 3 minus minus, it become 2. I will check 2 greater or equal to 1. Condition true. I will print the value of j, that is what? 2. Now the current value of j is 2. 2 minus minus, it become 1. And I'm checking j greater or equal to 1. 1 greater or equal to 1. Condition true. If condition true, what I'm doing, I'm printing the value of j, that is what? 1. And again checking 1 minus minus, the value will be 0. I'm checking 0 greater or equal to 1. 0 is not greater, not equal to 1. So condition is false. If condition will be false, you will go out of the loop and you are doing termination. That's it. Okay. Any doubt? All okay?
No, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great. Now I will do what kind of for loop generally we are using during the loop, what type of logic we are applying. We will finish it so that we will have a confidence over the for loop. So let's create a 3 program of the for loop. For loop demo 3. Public static void main, finish. Okay. So what I want to do, suppose I want to print number 1, 3. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So your number is starting from where? 1. Your number is starting from 1. So int I is equal to 1. Correct? Till where you want to go? Till 15. I less equal to 15. So you can see that how you will from 1. You have to see the gap actually. If you will see within 1 to 3, there is one gap 2. In the 3 to 5, you will see the gap 2. That means in 1, if you will do plus 2, that you will get 3. In the 3, if you will do plus 2, then you will get 5. Like that in 5, you will do plus 2, then 7. That means the increment value with plus 2, not with the plus 1, right? So how you will do the increment with the plus 2? So you can write directly I equal to I plus 2, no issues, and you can print the value. All right, like that. What will be the value? Will be your value will be start from 1. It will check you 1 less equal to 15. Yes, condition true. You will print the value of I. So what is the current value of I? That is 1. It will be print. You will come here. So I having current value 1. So 1 plus 2, it will become 3. Right? It will become 3. Again, you will check 3 less equal to 15, condition true. You come inside the loop, and what you are doing, you are printing the value of I, that is 3. And again, what you are doing, I equal to I plus 2. So I having current value 3. 3 plus 2, it become 5. And again, checking you are what? I less equal to 15. Current value of I is 5. 5 less equal to 15. Condition true. And what we are doing? We are printing the value of I, that is 5. 5 plus 2, it becomes 7. You are checking 7 less equal to 15. Condition true. And what we are doing? We are printing the value of I, that is 7. And again, what we are doing? 7 plus 2, that become 9. I'm checking 9 less equal to 15. Condition true. And what I'm doing? I'm printing the value of I, that is 9. And then after 9 plus 2, that become 11. You will check that 11 less equal to 15. Condition true. You will come inside. You will print the value of 11. And again, you are doing I having current value 11. 11 plus 2, it become 13. And you are checking 13 less equal to 15. Condition true. And what we are doing? We are printing the value of I, that is 13. Then after, what you are doing? Your current value of I is 13. 13 plus 2, that will be 15. You are checking 15 less equal to 15. 15 is not less, but yeah, 15 is equal to 15. Again, condition true. You are printing the value of I. So what is the current value of I? 15. It will print. Again, you are doing 15 plus 2, that will be 17. 17 is less equal to 15. No, condition false. If condition false, you will go out of the loop. You will not go inside the for loop. Right? If you will print, you will get the value like this. Okay. So one thing is that, guys, here, what we are doing? We are printing the value. We are increment the value by 2. I equal to I plus 2. We are doing like that. Huh? So in the shorter form, somewhere you will see like that I equal to I plus 2. Somewhere you will look like this also. This, you are writing this, then plus, means what you are doing? There is one variable I. In the same variable value of the I, you are adding 2. So in the shorter form, we are writing this like, right? So you can write like this, you can write like this, and you can as well write like this. So output will be same. Somewhere you will look like that, look like this, and somewhere you will look like this. Okay, so anything you can use. This is the shorter form. Okay, let's use it. All right, like the same question. If you want to do, if you want to say, suppose there is one more question. What is the question? The question is print number 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. So how you will print it? No, nothing you have to do. Just complete for loop we will use, and what you have to do? What is your initial number? What is your initial number? Initial number is 0. Till where you want to go? I want to go till 20. Right. What is the increment value? I plus equal to 5. That's it. You will get, let me make some break here. Sys out. That's it. Right click, run as Java application. See that 0, 5, 10, 15, any increment. So whatever the pattern, initial number is and number, you will make it as a condition, and then after whatever the increment value, you can put it. All right. So one more thing, you can see that there is some time if you will face issues. What the problem? Sometime I faced during the learning. I was not met. I was confused with the condition this. So how you will do this? So just I'm giving one key point. See, if your number is starting from minimum less to max, that means high. That means your number is starting from minimum and you are going to max. So always the condition will be less equal. Keep in your mind. And if you are going to max to low, 10 to 1. So always the condition will be greater or equal. Keep in these things in your mind. So once you will do the same things revised 3 to 4 times, the things will be, you will get these things. So what I will request, the same things what I did for a very good hands-on over the things, for very good syntax hands-on on your hand, for logic creation, the same task you will do at least 4 to 5 times. in your laptop, so the things will be in your hand. So all okay?